night is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. We could rent a room and watch the stars dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea. With you right by my side, it's such a sweet life. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. Nowhere else to be. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. Nowhere else to be. Escape this time with me. I've been so hard on you, trying to love with knuckles white, just to grasp at words last night, fearing a broken promise. Being honest, where's the proof? Fill my old skin with no truth. The snow will bury last night. I hope you're doing alright. It's snow that buries last night. I hope. Praying that you can manage. If I damage us again, open eyes and say amen. I just want you back here. I'm a selfish kiss goodbye. God is in the falling sky. Snow will bury last night. I hope you're doing alright. It's snow that buries last night. I hope. I'm back in the memory, tearing at the seams, wishing I could wear it and let you be.
You say I should journal every day, but I don't. You say if I write things down, then I'll know myself better, but I probably won't. I know that there is something I should do to be a healthy human. That's what I wanna do, but I don't think I know how. Can you show me? Can you show me? I promise I'll listen this time. I promise I'll listen. But every time you try to give me advice, I always resist. 'Cause in the moment it feels like you're squelching my right to do dumb shit if I wanna. But that's not really what I wanna do. It's the principle that matters. At least that's what I tell myself. But what I really need is, baby, tell me what I'm supposed to do to be a healthy human. That's what I wanna do, but I don't think I know how. Can you show me? Can you show me? I promise I'll listen. I promise I'll listen this time. You say if I go to therapy, I can move on from my past. But you and I both know we can't afford it, and I don't wanna ask my dad. I guess I'm coming to terms with where I'm at. I really don't want to, but I gotta ask my dad. Healthy human, healthy human, healthy human. I wanna be a healthy human, healthy human, healthy human. I wanna be a healthy human, healthy human, healthy human. I wanna be a healthy human, healthy human, healthy human.
Early in the morning, before the sun appears, before the world has even stirred, let's get out of here. We don't need to hurry, the road ahead is clear. Let's follow the coast as far as it goes, or until we disappear. that gives me an idea. Let's get lost together. Let's go chase that postcard.